In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your search history on the Google Play Store. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Google Play Store, and you can see if I tap on search for apps, you can see I have some search history in there, and I want to be able to delete that search history. So I'm going to go back, and then what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. You tap on that, and then you tap on settings, and there you can see it says clear local search history, remove searches you have performed from this device. I tap on that, and now that should have gone through. So if I go back to search for apps, you can see that the search history is now gone. So that is how you delete your search history on the Google Play Store. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.